Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can complete the Virilia Quest 1 in Abyss. So Virelia is the most important NPC if you want to get permanent stat boost, but her first quest is crack the rock. This one, you need to crack 10 Mossy Geodes to complete the quest. So it can be a bit tricky if you don't know where to look. If you want to start using the artifacts to boost your speed and damage, this is the guide you need. I'm going to show you how you can complete it. So first, you need to find the Mossy Geodes. So I already show it how you can find it or how you can get it in the previous video. You can check my channel. And once you got the Mossy Geode, you can just hold it and bring it to Virelia. Okay, talk to Virelia in here. And then you can just click on yes to open the artifacts. Like this. Click on it. Now click on open. You guys can see if you want to, I have 5. So if you want to open all of the geode that you got, you can just go with this. Or if you want to, let's say I'm going to just open once in here. So you need to also spend some cash. For 1 geode you need to spend $75 cash. You just hit on open and you need to wait for for 1 minute until the Mossy Geode is open. So you just need to repeat these steps for 10 times to crack 10 Mossy Geodes, and after that you can complete the quest and you can get the rewards. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.